When the component comes through our department, it has a unique part number. Our inspectors will type in the part number and it'll automatically pop up on the screen what that part is, the steps that it takes from pre-inspection detail, where all that has been, and then they'll inspect it and mark it.
We have a pre-clean process where the engines are pre-cleaned prior to being brought in and disassembled.
Anything from the housings to the brackets to injector bores, any component that they disassemble from the block itself in disassembly, we clean it. And then it'll go into our pre-inspection. Our pre-inspection is basically sorting out the steel and the aluminum. It gets off any rust, carbon, debris, anything that's on the parts itself. Our aluminum will go to the aluminum side of reclaim, which we blast with media or soda, and then it'll go through our final wash. The other side of it is our steel, and it'll go through a detail process, hitting any kind of holes, exhaust, getting the carbon out, and then it'll go into our final washer, which rinses all the metal shavings and the debris left over from detailing. This is our specialty, making sure the part is clean, right part, right time, making sure we have what we need to be successful.